Hey everyone, welcome back to another recap podcast from SNXweave, where we give quick weekly recaps of news and important updates from the previous week from the Spartan Council and core contributors. Let's get started. First, Ethereum turns 10 today. 10 full years of uninterrupted uptime. No halts, no reboots, and no central switches to flip. That's not just impressive for a blockchain, that's pretty unheard of for any global tech network. To celebrate, Synthetix hosted a Spartan space with guests from baseball and overtime markets to talk about the network that started it all. What followed was a wide-ranging conversation on everything from betting bots to scaling wars, so let's briefly recap the call. First up was baseball, a team focused on reimagining crypto options as something that normal people can actually use. Forget confusing technical jargon and bloated dashboards, because baseball offers short-dated, intuitive, fast-settling options. Think Robinhood UX meets DeFi volatility. The team argued that with ETH and BTC volatility tightening and meme coin season maturing, users are hungry for fresh, high upside plays, and options are a perfect tool if delivered simply enough. Next was overtime, which started as a Synthetix experiment with Daly's binary options and has now grown into a full-scale decentralized sportsbook. They now support over 600 markets across traditional sports, esports, and global leagues, all trustless, on-chain, and KYC free. And in a wild twist, bots are getting in on the action. AI agents like Billy Betts have already wagered over $1 million on the platform by connecting to the API. During slower sports seasons, esports is filling the gap with Counter-Strike, Valorant, and Dota seeing surging interest. The community and betting flow now rotates seasonally with global event calendars. Later in the call, Bert shifted back to Ethereum, where Synthetix is preparing to launch perps on mainnet. While L2's offered cheaper transactions and experimentation space, they've also introduced downtime, fragmentation, and bridging friction. By contrast, Ethereum L1 offers the uptime, security, and composability that real traders and liquidity providers need. The protocol's new perps product will settle directly on mainnet and integrate natively with projects like Athena. This allows traders to earn yield and post margin with the same capital, thanks to Ethereum's unique composability. Of course, the group also discussed scaling. Everyone agreed that L2s played a crucial role when gas costs were prohibitively high, but now most are too fragmented to support sustainable, unified growth. And Base is emerging as the clear frontrunner with Coinbase support, a strong ecosystem, and real users. Most other rollups aren't attracting sticky liquidity or compelling UX. Overtime confirmed they're focused on just 3 chains: Base, Optimism, and Arbitrum. Any additional deployments would mean higher infrastructure costs and thinner liquidity, which isn't worth the trade-off. To close things out, a user shared that they were recently rugged for $16,000 by a traditional sportsbook. That loss drove them to switch to Overtime, where every bet, market, and payout is fully auditable. In a space often referred to with uncertainty, this was a reminder that transparency wins because Ethereum lets users verify the rules. And now, with AI agents entering the arena, a new phase of DeFi is taking shape. Ethereum isn't just for humans anymore. It's for agents, bots, and protocols talking directly to one another in a global financial sandbox. Throughout the conversation, one theme was constant: Ethereum is unique, and that's what makes it work. It's full of traders, artists, builders, AI agents, sports bettors, and hackers, all figuring things out as they go. That chaotic, permissionless culture is what makes people stay long after the bull run fades. It's been 10 years, and this is just the beginning. And that's it for today's updates. Be sure to check out our weekly recap blog post, share this podcast link, and let us know what you think and what you'd like to hear more about from SNXweave. Thanks for listening.